Hi, it's Andrew Kim reporting for the Jetstream. Competitive programming is basically a mind sport where you try to write the solution as code to a problem as fast as possible. The code needs to run quickly and needs to be efficient and optimized to score the highest amount of points. It can be highly exhilarating, fun, and most importantly, educational. The problems that you will often be solving will be related to algorithms, data structures, math, number theory, and logic. If any of these words scare you, don't worry. It's not as hard as you think. Besides, if you learn about these topics, you're getting a substantial head start on what you'll likely learn at college if you decide to major in a similar topic. Of course, since the name of the game is competitive programming, you'll have to participate in competitions. Most of the lower level competitions are online, making them easier to access. Only competitions on the national level are offline, and often they are on huge scales, organized by big companies. Hackathons, for example, are multiple-day competitions where you try to develop a program or write a solution to a problem in the shortest time possible by yourself or with your teammates in a public space with other teams near you. It can create a quite tense but fun and competitive atmosphere. You'll need to prepare for these competitions, and the easiest way is to just prepare for them by yourself instead of going to a hagwon or getting a tutor. You can learn coding languages, which is used to write code online for free. There are websites called online judges that have problems, and you can submit files to them to see if your solution is correct. If so, you can check that question off the list and move on to the next. For example, here's a website called Hackerrank. On this website, you can actually learn C++, which is a coding language, and learn how to solve competitive programming problems. On this other site, cscs.fi, there is a competitive programmer's handbook you can download, which covers most topics that have to do with competitive programming. You can also solve problems related to those topics. Lastly, there's a site called Codeforces. If you're a programmer, you most likely already know this place. It's a hub to solve problems, share resources in the forums, and get help. There are a huge set of problems, but you don't have to feel pressured to solve all of them. You can follow an online ladder like A20J. You can follow this ladder to slowly start learning how to solve these problems from the bottom up, which builds your skills slowly but surely. Computer science is growing in popularity as a major, and starting to program at an early age can help you get your foot in the door quickly and beat the competition. Many universities see competitive programming as a great extracurricular activity. If you find this kind of stuff fun, you should totally give it a try. Who knows, you might just like it.